In this video, we will discuss about demilitarized zone. What is demilitarized zone? Let us understand this with an example. This is our internal network, external network. External network directly communicating to our internal network is not considered as safe. To prevent this, generally DMZ is being set, demilitarized zone. So external network first communicate with DMZ and then it is communicated with our internal network. Objective of setting up a DMZ is to prevent the external traffic to have direct access to critical systems of the organization. As DMZ is directly exposed to the external network, it should be properly hardened. No critical application should be placed over here. Generally, email server or mail client is placed in DMZ server. Let us quickly recap what we learned in last slide. DMZ is the area which is accessible to external network. Objective is to prevent the external traffic to have direct access. All systems placed in DMZ should be hardened. They are also known as best and host, and nothing valuable should be kept in DMZ. It is equally important to understand the difference between DMZ and proxy. DMZ provides the security by keeping the web server or email server out of internal network. On the other hand, proxy server provides security by masking the internal network addresses. So external user will not able to understand or not able to know what is the actual IP address. What they will know is only one IP, external IP address. Some key aspects from exam perspective. Devices that can be placed within a demilitarized zone. We already discussed. Mail relay or email server can be placed in a demilitarized zone. No critical application should be placed in demilitarized zone. Let us discuss some practice questions. Device that can be installed in a demilitarized zone. Email server. Email server or mail relay can be installed in a demilitarized zone to protect the internal network. External emails may contain malicious contents to compromise the internal network of the organization. Firewalls, though it may provide another segment for DMZ, but do not technically reside with demilitarized network segment. Authentication server and corporate database server should not be placed in DMZ. Which of the following is the greatest risk with respect to confidentiality of credit card data? Credit card stored in a DMZ is a major risk as it directly interacts with the external network and can be subject to compromise. Masking of first 6 digit or last 4 digit is not mandated by PCI DSS standard. Only in between 6 digits should be mandatorily masked. TLS protocol is a secured version for data transmission. Thanks for watching.